just got into Frankfurt. We're just about to head into the convention center here to give the keynote at the Azure Roadshow. Expecting to have a packed house. I mean, the amount of people that have registered for this is just off the charts. Energy off the charts as people are talking about what's Microsoft doing in the cloud, and specifically what are we doing in the German cloud, and what we're doing here and having a data center with an instance of Azure specifically in Germany. Excited to get it done.
To see this many people, and we really appreciate your willingness to come spend a couple of days with us here as we talk about some of the things that we're doing in the cloud and some of the things that maybe you're not aware of. Now, first of all, at Microsoft, as we think about what our vision is, our vision is all about how we empower every person and every organization in the world to achieve more. And there are three big areas where we're focused at. And as we focus in these areas, we believe we can help every organization in the world transform their businesses. Now, what we're seeing are trends like cloud and mobility are transforming every single organization in the world. We are literally seeing one of these generational changes that happens once in a generation. And organizations that are embracing this are going to be the organizations that 5 years from now are going to be the market leaders.
Just finishing the day up here. What a fantastic day. The keynote was standing room only. The social media feedback was just tremendous. Since the keynote ended, I've been back-to-back meetings with organizations and customers wanting to understand more about the integration of Office 365 and the Enterprise Mobility Suite. You know what I think was my favorite part of the day is when two of these customers who said, you know what, I've been using something else for EMN, but after seeing what you guys are doing in identity, in management, in data protection, productivity. Hey, it's cold. I gotta say, it's really cold right now in Frankfurt, February in Frankfurt, but it has been an incredible day. Hey, good morning. We're in London today. About to walk into the keynote. The room is huge. We're expecting several thousand people to be here. In London, one of my favorite places in the world. We had the chance to go out and visit Windsor Castle yesterday, and what amazing history. But really look into the Cloud Roadshow here and talking about what we're doing across Microsoft in the cloud, and specifically Enterprise Mobility.
So thank you so much, Brad, for coming up. I'd like to introduce Brad.
Hey, well, good morning. Look how many people are here. This is just awesome. You know, thank you for coming and spending a couple of days with us. We know time is valuable, and so your willingness to come here and spend today and tomorrow with us, we're really grateful for that. And I'll tell you, we've sent some of our best people here to make sure that you've got the individuals who are down deep in the details of building these things so you can actually get the data that you need.
Back in the United States here after having been in Frankfurt and London for the last week. We just had a great time. We had thousands of people in the room for those. And then I had a chance to meet with well over a dozen customers in a one-on-one kind of more intimate basis and get an understanding of what it is that they're doing with enterprise mobility. And I'll tell you, these opportunities are they're the best because I walk away understanding more about what users and organizations need and just get smarter and better at understanding what it is that we need to build. The organizations that I met with account for more than 2 million employees, and it was remarkable to see how their views are progressing and maturing on enterprise mobility. And I'll tell you, the biggest takeaway for me is that combination of Office 365 and the Enterprise Mobility Suite that does deliver that iconic, empowering work environment for users, so delivering what users want, and at the same time delivers what IT wants with that security and protection. And so almost without exception, the conversation that we were having is an organization asking us, how fast can you help us get to what your vision is and what it is that Microsoft is delivering. fantastic time. I can't wait to go back.